gonna learn how to make this sumptuous alternative, healthy alternative to butter. Check out this guacamole recipe on my channel, Ayesha'S Cuisines, Ayesha'S Cuisine Demand. Subscribe and share. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye. Hello everyone, and welcome to Ayesha'S Cuisines, Ayesha'S Cuisine Demand, a platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you are privileged to chance upon this video, then you are most welcome. And you can support the channel by subscribing, commenting, and sharing the video so others get to benefit, and also an opportunity for me to upload more content. So today we're gonna make some guacamole, one of my son's favorite. And the ingredients very simple. You can use it as a paste and a perfect alternative to butter, you know, in your sandwich. So the ingredients for this is we need some lemon juice or lime juice. We need some black pepper. You can use white pepper. We need 3 large avocados, one large tomatoes that has been, everything has been prepped, as you can see, apart from the tomato, the avocado, pardon me, and 1 large red onions cut into bouillon size, and some parsley, and some salt, of course, to taste. I'm gonna briefly show you how to prep your avocado. Prep your avocado. This is the avocado top. So all you need is to slide down
a place where your cooking is
ensure that it doesn't come into
for.
contact with you. So when using knife or scissors, you point them at your toes, as you can
a
see,
place where your cooking is cared for.
So this is it.
Ayesha'S Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S Cuisines. A place where your cooking is cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S Cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like
that
eating recipes across the globe, that this channel is for you, and you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. That way YouTube get to recommend my channel, and I also get to
lemon juice.
upload more
Just
videos.
incorporate everything in nicely, gently, you know, handle with care. Some TLC, tender loving care. Add some salt just for taste on it, like that. And white pepper or black pepper in there, just incorporating everything gently. Now we're gonna add in our red onions and then our parsley, incorporating this nicely, and then our tomatoes as well, incorporating everything like that, guys. This more presentable. We just use some kitchen towel to clean the edge like that. See, it's very important. Presentation is key, guys. This is our guacamole. I hope you like the recipe. Please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell icon. Until then, it's a goodbye from Ayesha'S Cuisines, Ayesha'S Cuisines du Monde. Bye.